Ooh, it's nice and bright. Just one tap. You can do it more if you want it to be like even more vibrant. I'm gonna go into with the welcoming hugs and add just a little. So it doesn't matter. You can add it however you want, left, right, up, down, up, you know, like top, bottom, however you would like to. Okay. So we are going to using the crystal clear. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Friday. Get a piece of paper so then you can clean all of the excess pigment you don't want. So I'm gonna using just saturates, not too saturated, just a little bit of the crystal clears on my bristle, and gently is tap closer outside toward to the inside of the fusioning eye up lines, so then that way you can create this easy veining look. This is really cool and it's really pigmented. Okay. Same thing, repeat it throughout all entire the design. But just don't saturate your brush, your bristle with too much crystal clear. Okay. Great, I like it a lot. So let it set for just a second. Okay. And then good. No, I don't need to dry. I'm gonna put the top coat. Like it's taking like 2 minutes for you to just like finish that. The design is super simple and easy. And then I am go ahead. And if you like the veining, yesterday we did the veining, is really cool with the golden touch. But today we're not doing a veining. I just want to show you how quick, simple, easy it is. I'm go ahead and adding the no wipe top coat because we are going to do some is the 3D flowers using a 40 gel, which is I got in the my subscription box, and also from the nail art class. It's coming up in December 6th. Is also have the this techniques on it too. So here for 30 seconds. Get rid of the alcohol. Thank you. All right. Bit more paper. So I have the colors right here is the golden and the emerald. So I'm gonna using both this color. I'm gonna showing it two way to doing it. It's really simple. Yesterday Mika was sharing one of our Glitz brand ambassador. She's sharing the tutorial on the cool techniques as well. So I'm gonna do 2 beads. The best thing about the 40 gels is not going to dry until you are going to cure it. So I'm gonna get 2 beads first, and simply using the 3D brush. You don't need any of the solution at all. Only you need to do is 3D dual brush, and we're gonna do is just press down and release. Do the same thing with this one. I love the background looks. Absolutely. Same thing. You can go back and forth. It's not going to set and dry until you are going to cure. So press it down because it designs 45-degree angle. So it's easy for you to sculpting it and manipulating. Your is 40. Press down and release. Press down and also release. Again, using the tip to like guiding it and draw the leaf however you would like. See how simple this two petal? Happy with this? We're gonna just doing it really fast here, like about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay. And I'm gonna do 2 more. 4 more beads, actually smaller beads. 4 of them. I'm gonna put it right here, and then you can do the best way to do if you want all 4 of them to be the same size. You are going to rows like about 4 beads the same size, so then that way they are going to be okay. It's really simple and easy. So I'm gonna pick up this bead. Pick 1. And 2. Press down again. And release. And then you feel like you need to get smaller, bigger beads, absolutely you can remove some 40 gels, or you can add some more 40 gels. That's the best thing about 40 gel. It is.
Hey Natasha, for subscription box, sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. So it's all depend on the monthly. So best is when you go into our subscription box page, we will list what product you're gonna get for this month's box. That will be give you a good indication of what you're gonna get.
Yes, this month that we have the 40 gel. Just for this month. Every month there's a lot of different products as well. So I'm gonna do another one. You know what? I do like it.
And black butterfly. So you can go to our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. The link is pinned and in the bio. Head over there, and on every product there will be pricing for you.
And then we're gonna do this. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. It's so super simple and easy. Trust me, you gotta experience it yourself. Just with the Adore brush, you will never go wrong with this. I am absolutely obsessed with this. So last beads, pick it up, but only important thing that is, do me a favor, just press it down and let it go. Just don't tap over and over. Just press down and then let's go, because the more you're getting too much manipulating on it, it just make it your 40 gel too thin. You don't want it being too thin. It's just gonna be really perfect. It's not too thin and not too thick. I'm so in love with this one. Looks so adorable. Yep. See, and I'm still having it still wet, but then I'm gonna draw the picture. Can I get a piece of paper? So easy to do. I'm gonna get the smaller beads. 2 of this bead is kind of smaller, like a half size of the beads I did it. Put one here. I want to make it a couple leaves. It is so fun and easy, and a lot of you will get this color golden. I got funky, and I've been doing a lot of funky colors for you, but I want to do this color because a lot of you are going to get this color as well. So much fun. Okay, so this is emerald. So again, I'm gonna press it down, and I don't need any solution at all. Only I need is the tool right on my hands right here. It will does all the work for you. Press down and release. Press, and then you just gently press it down. You don't need to like go aggressive because the angle of the spazzle for Dual 3D brush, it does all the work for you. Press down. So a lot of you will get the subscription box. You will get this color. I'm so excited. And that's it. You can continue on and on if you want to get a couple of petals right here. Happy with this. We're going to clear for 60 seconds. Look at this, perfect.